Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance. For that, first of all, you will have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you need to simply provide your email address, your phone number and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you will have to tap on the option of Spot in the top. Once you do this, you are going to see your total balance as well as your available cryptos. So over here, in order to withdraw your money, you will have to tap on this Withdraw tab in the top. Afterwards, it will show you the list of coins that you have again, and here you will be able to see the USDT amount as well. So over here, you will have to select that particular coin which you want to transfer from Binance. After selecting that particular coin, you will be shown two different options of withdrawal in the bottom. The first is of send via crypto network, and the second option is of send via email, phone and ID. So let me clear the difference between these two. So if you select the first option, then you will be able to transfer your crypto from your one wallet to another. But if you have selected the second option, then you can transfer your cryptos from one Binance user account to some other Binance user. So as you want to withdraw your money from Binance, I would recommend you to select the first option, which is send via crypto network. Once you have selected this option, you need to fill out these details. So over here, you will have to click on the address option, and here you need to provide the wallet address. So let's say you want to withdraw your money from Binance to KuCoin, then you will have to go to KuCoin and you will have to select the same crypto there. Then you need to copy the address from KuCoin associated with the same crypto that you have selected. Then you need to paste that address in this section. After that, you will be asked to select the network. So here you will be able to see a bunch of different networks that you can choose. So the difference between these networks is according to the time it takes and according to the fees that you need to pay. So you can select Avalanche C chain, Avalanche or BNB Smart Chain, and it will also show you the minimum withdrawal of selecting this network as well as the amount of fee that you need to pay if you have selected this network. So you will have to select any of the networks that comes under your budget. For this video, I'm going to select it as BNB Smart Chain as it is cheap and the arrival time is also good. After selecting it, you need to provide the withdrawal amount. So you will have to enter the amount of coin that you want to transfer. After that, you need to press this withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be able to see a bunch of different prompts to confirm your withdrawal. So you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to confirm it. And this way, after waiting for some time, you will be able to see that the withdrawal is successful and you have successfully withdrawn your money from Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.